Now to the best part. This is the Xbox. It's so cute. Boom. Oh. Turned on. I did it right. I did it right. Okay, crew, I'm back again with another video, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Iamkyala. I'm 18 years old and I've been doing YouTube for about like 3 years. All right, but yeah, you should really subscribe and hit the like button, and also turn my post notification bell on if you want to be notified whenever I post. Okay. So yeah, but today is going to be an unboxing video. Why am I grabbing it like that? Today's gonna be an unboxing video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing, as you guys can see by the title, my new Xbox One S. So basically there's a story behind it. So basically I was just in the mall. I wasn't even gonna go to the mall because I know every time I go to the mall I always wind up spending money, unnecessary money or whatever. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna go to the mall or whatever. But then I got kind of bored in here, and I was just like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna just go to the mall with my mom and them. So we went to the mall, we just walking around and everything, and then there was this store called Amazon 4-star, and we went to a mall that was kind of far out. We don't have that down here. We don't have no Amazon 4-star mall. What? We don't have no Amazon 4-star store in the malls over here that I live at. So it was just like kind of a new store, so we kind of went in there. And then next thing you know, when we were about to leave, oh my god, he texted me. Okay. So yeah, when we were about to leave, basically, I kind of just slid past seeing a freaking Xbox. And you guys didn't notice, but I always wanted an Xbox. I just never kind of got one because I wasn't paying $400 for an Xbox. I just wasn't doing that. Don't spam L's in the chat because I know a lot of people don't like Xbox, but I do. I grew up playing Xbox, and Xbox is honestly, like, I'm not going to say it's the best game system, but I love Xbox. Like, I could play Xbox all day. I had a PlayStation long time ago. I loved it. I'm not going to lie. I loved having a PlayStation. But then when we switched on to Xbox, I kind of fell in love with Xbox, so that's all I know is kind of Xbox, because I haven't played a PlayStation in like forever. So yeah, I don't even know how to work a PlayStation anymore. So yeah, that's just that. That was just a background story, but now we're just gonna get straight to the unboxing because I feel like I talked like too fucking much. But yeah, so let's just kind of get into it. The fuck? So me and my brother, we kind of already opened the box, and then I kind of like out of nowhere just decided, literally out of nowhere, I put the Xbox on top of my dresser and everything, and I just kind of out of nowhere, I was like, oh wait, I could have done an unboxing video. So if you guys see, it's kind of opened already, but I still want to show you guys it. I still want to take it out. I still want to explain it, and you know, like do a little, you know, basically, yeah. But this is the Xbox. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer. Ooh, it's so cute. It's so nice. I like it. I haven't had an Xbox in a really long time, since I lived in my old house, and that was like 6 years ago. So yeah, I haven't had an Xbox in a really long time, so I like remember how to play, but like I don't really remember everything. But yeah, and then here's the back of it. So I don't know the difference between the 1S and the 1X, but I don't know if one is bigger and one is littler. I don't know, but I know this one is kind of small, and it holds 512 gigabytes. Let me turn it around and tell y'all, because like I want to give y'all accurate information. So this one has 512 gigabytes SSD, and it doesn't take disc, it's only digital. So like all of the games that I'm gonna get are gonna be downloaded on here. Like you can't go in a GameStop store and go get a CD, but I think you can like go order your game from the GameStop, and they'll give you like the code while you're there. But you can't put CDs in this one, so it's not like the other Xbox. I believe with the Xbox One X you can do that, but not with the S. So yeah, everything is digital on here. I feel like that's pretty cool. If you ask me, it's something different. Maybe I should put my camera closer to me. Alright, so now I'm gonna tell you guys everything that it comes with. So it includes the console, of course it includes the Xbox fucking Series S, yeah. And then it comes with a wireless controller. I really hope the controller has batteries in it, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be real upset, because I don't think I have fucking batteries. I don't think I have freaking batteries for the daggone shit. But yeah, it comes with a high-speed HDMI cable. I think every one of them comes with that. If it doesn't, then I don't fucking know what the hell. And then it comes with wireless networking compatibility. So that's not included in the fucking box. That's included in the Xbox. So yeah, that's just how that is. So now we're gonna get to opening it up. I don't know if I should reset my camera up somewhere else, because I don't like know if I should just open it like kind of like this. But then again, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put this down a little bit so you guys can see. So yeah, I know the box looks a little dingy. Even before me and my brother opened it, it did have a little WWE smackdown to it. Like, the box was kind of beaten up. I was kind of infuriated with that, but it's okay, I don't really care, because at least my Xbox is in shape. When I opened it up, it was in shape. I'm just gonna pretend like I never saw it for you guys, but I did see it, so I already know how it is. So yeah, I forgot how to open this box, I'm not even gonna lie. Did I open it like this? Like, what the fuck? What did I do? All right, let me just try to figure it out, because I really don't remember how I opened this up. I believe I pulled this out. Wait, never did I ever really take the box. Okay, I don't think I did that shit. I really don't think I did that, because that would be so fucking stupid. Kyla, did you do that? What the hell? Like, how did I open the box the first time? Like, it literally was open. All right, let me just do this again, because I believe I probably did take the box back, because I remember it. Oh, ow, ouch. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys. Let me bring my camera closer. So this is how it looks inside of the box or whatever. It comes with this little manual, this Xbox manual, just, you know, for people that don't know what the hell they're doing like me. But honestly, I had an Xbox before, so I already know. But now let's just get to the opening part. This is actually not a bad angle, like, to be honest. So next we have all right, next we have the beautiful Xbox. I kind of should have opened this last, because this is the best part. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything else. I'm definitely gonna get some accessories for my Xbox, because I want it to be all girly and decked out, because that's just how I like it. But yeah, I don't know what this is for, but I think you control your Xbox or whatever with your phone. I'm not sure if that's what that means. I'm just assuming, because I just see a phone next to the instructions, so I'm just assuming you can control it with your phone if you download the app. Or it's just saying basically you could set it, you could set it up with your phone. That's probably what I'm gonna do. So let me tell y'all, for the people that was lost like me, because I didn't know. So when I first had opened up the box, I did not know that the controller and the freaking HDMI is in here. So I was kind of lost, and I kind of thought they was missing stuff, so I was getting a little upset, because I thought like it was missing stuff, and I was just like, I know they didn't just give me no Xbox without the stuff that, you know, the Xbox needs. So here are the cables. So this is the HDMI right here, and then this one is the power adapter. Yes, it comes with a power adapter and an HDMI. That is actually really good. So I hope these are long, because my TV is kind of high, and then my outlet thingy is kind of low, so hopefully it's like really long. But it looks like it's long because it wrapped around like a million times, so yeah. But the next is the beautiful controller. I didn't open up the controller yet, so this is like literally gonna be a raw reaction. Oh, it does come with batteries. Okay, it was smart. So it does come with batteries. This feels so light. I love it. Hold on, wait. Hello, focus. So this is the controller. It's so smooth and cute, and it's just brand new. We're just giving a brand new vibe. The only thing is it's white, so I won't be playing my game when I'm eating or whatever, because I like my stuff to stay crisp how it is. Like right now it's just crisp, so yeah. But yeah, and then it came with batteries. These are batteries that's in here. I hate when my camera doesn't fucking focus, but that is what that is. This is just a little Christmas gift to me, by the way, from me, because I didn't really get anything for Christmas, like, so I just had to give myself, because I deserve it. So yeah, now to the best part. You guys kind of see how I just fling this shit away, but I'm just gonna show you guys what it says. It says power your dreams. Only Xbox say that. And just saying. So this is the Xbox. It's so cute. It's so small, but it's so cute. Oh my god. Like, all right, if we can just get this shit to focus, that'll be great. So this is the Xbox. It's so cute. This is the front of it. I believe this is like, you could put a USB in here. I don't know what this, but this is the back of the Xbox. So this is all of this different shit. Yeah, I could tell I'm already gonna need my brother, because I'm already confused. I don't know where any of it goes. So yeah, side of the Xbox, and then the other side of the Xbox. So they basically have a lot of air vents, so your Xbox can breathe. Because I think with the other Xbox, the bigger one, the 360, I'm really not sure if it had like a lot of air vents, so it used to get like really hot. I don't know if that's why they made the new ones like this. I'm not sure. I don't know. But yeah, so that's just what I'm guessing. But now I'm about to set it up over there by my TV. I'm gonna put it in the video, because some of you guys may want to watch it. If you guys don't, you guys can skip past that part, but I'm gonna still put it in the video though. So yeah, watch me struggle putting my damn Xbox together. Well, not together, but like set it up. You guys understand. All right, so where are we gonna start? Oh my god, this looks so hideous. Oh my god, my camera's blinking. No, I don't want to record on my phone. Oh my god. All right guys, I gotta let my camera charge for a minute, and then I'm just gonna get back to you guys when it's charged to a certain capacity, because yeah, the fucking light is fucking blinking. It's gonna literally die on me.
2 hours later.
All right, I'm back guys. After 80 million years, my camera had died, so I had to go charge it for like 3 hours. But while I was waiting for it to charge, I was just doing my homework. But yeah, let's set it up now. So where was I don't even know where I was. I just know that I freaking was about to put it up here on this little thing right there. And yeah, I gotta make sure I don't put nothing in the wrong spot. So like, I don't know if you guys know how my TV was before, but I had switched it around so that way my Xbox could fit right here, because like it was just not gonna work out. Like, there's no other place I was gonna be able to put it, because there's no outlets over there, and then like over here there was just nowhere else to put it, so I just had to try to squeeze it right there. I feel like I'm gonna need the app that they were saying, because I didn't read the menu. I just kind of just threw it, but I'm probably just gonna go back and look at it after I'm done, and like after I see what I have to do, because right now I really don't fucking know. All right, so I think first I have to put this in the back. I don't know, you guys are gonna see me struggle, because like I'm really lost right now. I don't know, but like I do in all my videos, I'm always putting something together and it absolutely fucking fails. And yeah, hopefully this video is not that type of video. Hopefully we do good this time. I don't know if this connects to this. Oh, okay, I'm dumb. The HDMI goes in the TV, and then the other cord goes in the Xbox. Okay, duh. Like, all right, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. I hope this cord is long enough, because it's looking like it's not, but let's just pray to God. Let's just hope, because I'm gonna be real upset if it doesn't. So this piece, I'm guessing it just goes in here, because this is the same shape as it. So yeah, yeah, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Just give me 1 second. Like, good news guys, it fits. So it fits like literally perfect. Like, it just goes straight down there like that, boom. So all right, now I'm about to put the HDMI in the back of the TV, and while I put the HDMI in the back of the TV, while I put one of these holes in whatever hole it goes in the back of the Xbox, because I'm like totally fucking lost, but I'm gonna figure it out. So yeah, I literally have like so many cords. I hope it fits back here. Okay, I think we're on to something here. Alright, so that part is good. Now I have to make sure it goes with the TV, because I got that part. So let me just make sure I ain't do nothing wrong. So let me just check this out real quick. Oh my god, what's that noise? That's Xbox? Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I was so freaking scared like the shit was gonna blow up or something. I did not know what was going on. But yeah, nothing bad happened, so that's good. Oh! Turned on! I did it right! Alright, so I have to go to the second HDMI on my TV. So sadly, I have to do everything with my hands, because I did not know it was gonna be that loud. But yeah, so I just need to see how I'm gonna set this up. I didn't even put the batteries in the charger yet, but if you guys want my gamer tag, I will put that down below in the description box, because I don't know what it's gonna be yet. So when I figure it out, I'll tell you guys. It's gonna be in the description box down below. So yeah. Oh yep, I need my phone, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Oh shit, how do you open this? Come on, please don't give me a hard time, I'm trying. Alright guys, I'm just gonna catch you guys in a little bit, because I am really fucking confused right now. This is not opening. Let me go. Hold up.
2 hours later.
Hey y'all, so I figured most of it out because my brother had helped me, but he's gonna help me get a lot of games on here. But I'm gonna just get the ultimate game pass. It comes with like 100 games or whatever. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. I just can't wait. Like, I'm really excited, because I was just in my room bored, and now I get to finally play and like do something else. And yeah, so I'm just about to like pay for Xbox Game Pass, and that's it. Yeah. Alright guys, so I just got done setting up my Xbox. My brother did help a lot because I was completely fucking lost half of the time, but I'm so excited to like play my Xbox. I figured out what my gamer tag is. Even though it is gonna be in the description down below, I'm still gonna tell you guys for the people that just simply don't go to the description box. My gamer tag is Iamkyala, so you guys can go and add me as a friend if you guys want to play. So yeah, I'm excited to play my Xbox, and I just haven't had one in such a long time. It's just like, oh my god, like wow. But yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys basically how it looks or whatever. So this is the overview of my pretty little Xbox. I want to add stuff to it, but I'm gonna do that later on. This is how it looks or whatever. I changed my background pic, so it's not gonna look like that forever, but it just takes a while to change, I heard. But overall, I'm just so excited and I just can't wait to use it. So now I'm gonna just go back to doing my homework, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and add my gamer tag if you want to play the game with me or whatever. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.